Hi guys, today I'm back with another episode of MCQs Prelims Level Up MCQ series. So 5 MCQs today. There will be it's a turn of geography MCQs. So and I hope you guys are doing really well. Please subscribe and subscribe this channel. Share these videos as much as you can and like these videos if you guys are liking our initiatives, right? So now let's get started. The first MCQs: which of the following planetary events is responsible for the formation of the subtropical anticyclones in both the hemispheres, right? So the options are trade winds, B westerlies, C polar easterlies, D doldrums. So let's see the answer now. And please guys participate in this initiative as much as you can, and also write your scores in the comment section. So the answer is B. The westerly winds are the subtropical latitudes. They create high pressure area which is known as the subtropical anticyclones in both northern and southern hemispheres, right? Let's see the second MCQ. The concept of geographical threshold in human migration is referred to as, right? So options are the maximum population a region can support before migration occurs, the minimum distance an individual is willing to travel for migration, the critical level of socio-economic factors that trigger mass migration, D. The geographic boundary beyond which migration becomes physically challenging, right? So let's see the answer now. It is C. So it is the critical level of socio-economic factors that trigger mass migration. That's why the name threshold. So the geographical threshold in human migration refers to the level of socio-economic conditions that act as a significant catalyst for mass movement of people from one region to another region. Now let us see the third MCQ. The phenomenon of Lewis formation is primarily associated with options are A. glaciers, B. aeolian processes, C. karst topography, D. volcanic eruptions. Or let's see the answer. Answer is B. Lewis formation occurs primarily due to the accumulation of fine-grained wind-blown particles called aeolian processes, which give rise to the fertile wind deposits soils, right? Now let us see the next question. Arakan, Yoma and Purvanchal hills. These are the examples of which type of landforms? Options are block mountains, B. fold mountains, C. volcanic mountains, D. residual mountains. Let us see the answer now. Answer is A. Arakan, Yoma and Purvanchal hills are examples of block mountains, these are formed by the faulting and upliftment of large blocks of Earth's crust, right? Now let us see the final MCQ. The term isostasy in the context of geology is referred to as. Options are the study of seismic wave propagation through different rock layers, B. the equilibrium maintained by Earth's lithosphere floating on the asthenosphere, C. the process of rock weathering and erosion due to action of glaciers, D. the formation and evolution of islands due to volcanic activities. Now let us see the answer. So isostasis refers to the balance between Earth's lithosphere, which floats on the semi-fluid asthenosphere, resulting in the maintenance of gravitational equilibrium in the Earth's crust, right? So with this we have completed today's MCQs, and I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you did, please like and share these videos. Tomorrow we'll be back with another set of 5 MCQs. Stay tuned guys. Thank you.